Greetings. My name's Scott, and today we're going to talk about a couple things. One, we're going to talk about how to grow oat grass for your cats. What I did was I bought a bag of this stuff. There you go. Nice little advertisement for Johnny's Selected Seeds. These things are actually great. These are common oats, and it was not expensive at all. This is basically cat grass. We're growing our own cat grass. I got this Tupperware container, and I folded up about 5 layers of paper towel underneath, and I got them nice and soaking wet. Then I put the seeds in, and I misted the seeds twice a day for about 3 days, and then they began to sprout. And I took the top off, soaked it again, soaked the water again. And this is basically 3 days growth. It's not so bad, right? Now here's the other thing we're going to talk about. Why is grass always greener on the other side of the fence? Look at that. It's getting greener, isn't it? Now, look at that. It's greener on the other side of the fence than when you're looking down at it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. You don't need any sun for this. You don't need to do anything with the seeds. You don't need to soak them. If they're not the right kind of seeds, you might. If they have holes, these are holeless, I think. I didn't have to do anything crazy. It was just threw them in here, kind of a thick layer. You can see kind of there's a, I try to get at least 1 to 2 deep everywhere, right? And then, you see they're sprouting nicely. Just a few days. Very good. Please subscribe. I can use all the support I can get. Share if you liked it. Sorry about the, made me feel a little seasick, but I'm just standing here in this light. I'm tired. Oh, hey, and I forgot to mention, keep it covered those first few days in a cool, dry place. You don't need a ton of light. You don't need to put it in the sun. Seeds will germinate just by getting wet. Okay? You might want to put it under a plant light once they start to sprout so you can get a nice green color. Get that photosynthesis going. But again, keep it covered. And don't overwater it. If you can actually see water puddling around in there, yeah, you've added too much water. Nice 4 or 5 layers of paper towels folded up should be perfect for you. You don't have to use a little compartment like this. I did that because, that's the only Tupperware container that I had that my wife would let me use.